Well, some of us aren't done with this rainy weather we've been having just yet.
Kate's been keeping an eye on what's still out there. Let's get your next weather forecast. Hey there.
Hey there. Yeah, we've been getting some really serious reports in from the Lehigh Valley. One report here, 1.62 inches. 1.62 inches fell in 1 hour, ending at 5:50 p.m. That was in Whitehall Township. We've also had reports of hail falling for a period of 10 to 15 minutes straight. Hail, heavy rain, and strong gusty winds up across the Lehigh Valley. Let's take a look at one spot. This is Bethlehem, where it has started to dry out just a little bit, but you can see the roads are damp, and now it looks like the rain has redeveloped. I was watching this camera. It came, it went, and now it looks like it's back again, raining pretty steadily there in Bethlehem, as the heaviest rain has just shifted into northern New Jersey. But the problem with these storms, and this is what we've been seeing this morning, when they develop, they then tend to develop over the same area over and over again, kind of feeding off of each other. This is a phenomenon we see often. It's called training, and that's when you get the risk of flash flooding, when storms tend to fire up in the same spots. We do have another batch of storms to watch here over Delaware. These have fired up. They're not moving much, so Newcastle County could be dealing with some ponding on the roads, even along I-95 perhaps. We have another batch trying to push into Chester County, but that one is starting to die. And you can see what's happening. These storms are kind of following the same trajectory. Another line of storms developing right over the same spots where we had that 1.62 inches in an hour over Whitehall Township, and we now have a flash flood warning to tell you about. So we've got this green box, that's an aerial flood advisory. We have the dark red box, which is a flash flood warning, and then still a severe thunderstorm warning just east of Easton as that storm moves through. If I take off all the layers, you can see this a little bit better. Probably the most dangerous situation is right here where you see this dark red. That's a flash flood warning. That means flash flooding is occurring. Roads are likely underwater in parts of the area, and you need to be very, very careful about where you travel. Do not try to drive through standing or rushing water on the roads. It can lead to a life-threatening situation. It does not take much, less than you would think, to lift a car or truck. We also have that severe thunderstorm warning, which is moving east along Interstate 78 across northern New Jersey. So these storms will likely be around through the remainder of this evening. It's tough to really determine where they're going to fire up. I think we'll be dealing with it for the next couple of hours in the Lehigh Valley. That flash flood warning, by the way, goes until 10 o'clock tonight. Another line of storms may develop over the city about 7:30 or 8 o'clock. That then shifts north, and we may still have some lingering showers and storms over South Jersey later on this evening into the first part of the overnight. So over your next 16 hours, at least in the city, we're looking at generally a 15 to 20% chance of rain. It's not a huge percentage, but all it takes is one cell to sit over a spot for an extended period of time, and that will lead to the risk for flooding. So showers and storms at least until about midnight. That dies down. Tomorrow is a much quieter day, a mix of sun and clouds in the city, maybe a stray shower. Best chance of that is in the Poconos. I think it's dry down the shore tomorrow at 82. And your muggy meter, after a very steamy day today, we're kind of on a downward slide, which is good news, back into the comfy range through Wednesday, and it turns slightly more humid for the end of the week and the start of the weekend. Your next weather 7-day forecast, not much rain, which is good news. We did need the rain. We've gotten a lot of it today. 90s, though, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, then back to the 80s for the weekend. Yuki?
Now the muggy meter is muggalicious. I love it.
Mugometer, I like that, too.
Okay. Don Bell.